Titus FlowBar Linear Diffuser with Border Type 77 installation instructions. Slide-in clips are used to align long continuous sections of FlowBar. The clips should not be attached to the FlowBar, but should be allowed to float to accommodate for thermal expansion. The plenum should be suspended from structure using hanger wire. Ceiling opening should be greater than the neck of the FlowBar, yet still be covered by the flange of the diffuser. Mounting brackets are installed at the FlowBar spacer assemblies with the factory-provided screw going through the pre-drilled hole in the spacer assembly. The diffuser is then lifted into the plenum until the legs of the mounting bracket spring into the hemmed edge of the plenum. Then, using a Phillips screwdriver, tighten a screw until the diffuser is snug against the ceiling. For sections where no plenum is used, the concealed mounting bracket can be drawn up against the drywall. The Border 77 results in a clean appearance, showing a finished flange which can be utilized in diverse applications for either ceiling or sidewall installations. For questions or specialized installation requirements, please reach out to Titus GRD Applications. Thank you for choosing Titus.